Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen for 17th May Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of US dollar Japanese yen, and as you can see, I am in the 4 hours time frame. This is the 4 hours time frame, our beloved and my personal favorite time frame. And as you can see, after this downtrend, market is trying to go up. Okay, but whenever market is trying to cross this level, okay, this particular level 109.70 level, market is facing resistance. You can see that after this good uptrend, market faced resistance, so market had to come down. Okay, market did not like, but still it had to come down because selling pressure was very high. Again, market tried to go up from here. Okay, just look at the size of this candle. Okay, and we can see that market was, or bulls were very determined that they will cross the level, but they fail to cross the level. And if you look at these candles, you can see that 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, market struggle. Okay, market struggle for 5 candles, means 4 into 5, 20 hours. Or you can almost see that market almost struggled for 1 day at this particular level. Market had resistance. Okay, market had resistance, but still you can see that after reaching the resistance level, market formed a doji kind of a pattern, which means that bulls and bears, they were in a tough fight and no decision came out. Second candle also, see, doji. Third candle, bulls won, bulls formed a hammer kind of a pattern. Fourth candle, bulls again almost took the charge. Okay, though the candle is red, but there is some good price rejection. There was some good price rejection from below. Fourth candle, doji, indecision. So there was a heavy struggle between the bulls and the bears at the resistance level, but ultimately bulls fail. Okay, after struggling for 20 hours, bulls fail, and at last they had to come down, which means that, okay, just try to understand the market psychology here, which means that there are big players at this price level sitting here who are not allowing the price to go up at any cost. They are giving their best shot. So that price does not go up. So this level is very, very crucial for the market, 109.70. Now let me switch to the weekly time frame and see. I have removed the drawing, and now let me switch the weekly time frame. As you all know, I'm a fan of multi time frame analysis. In the weekly time frame, we can see that market has formed a green candle with price reaction from both up and down. Previous week also same, but the candle's color was red. But we can see that for 2 consecutive weeks, market has tried to cross this level. Again, see 109.70, and we can see that on the weekly chart also, market has got a resistance in the form of a pivot. Therefore, one thing is very clear to us: 109.70 is extremely crucial for the market. It's a very strong resistance for the market, because this resistance is also in the 4 hours time frame, as well as it is present in the weekly time frame. Therefore, what should be a strategy then? Strategy is simple. Okay, strategy is simple. Okay, we will wait for the market to cross this level. Okay, seeing this price struggle, for 20 hours, I'll tell you not to short the market at this price level. Okay, so if market goes up on Monday after prior market opening, if market goes up and reach this price level, okay, do not short the market right away. If you see that price is reversing, do not short the market. Just remember, there was a struggle, there was a war between the bulls and the bears for 20 hours. Okay, just keep in mind. So wait for the market to cross this level. Okay, wait for the market to cross this level, 109.7 level. when market will cross this level, okay, then wait for 4 to 8 hours at least, okay, because I told you this is a very strong resistance. So wait for at least 2 candles for 8 hours and just try to observe the price. Okay, just try to observe the price, study the charts, try to understand the market psychology. If you see that after 4 to 8 hours price is not struggling, at last bulls have taken the charts, at last bulls have won, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, the resistance has become the support now, and you can go for a buy order at this level. Okay, so this is your best opportunity, but market need to cross this price level, then only you'll get the perfect position to go for a buy once resistance become the support. On the other hand, if price fails to sustain at this level and comes down, or after market opening if price starts coming down, then you'll get one more buying opportunity at this level, 108.32. we can see that on 2 instances, okay, here and almost here also, market provided support at this price level. So in case market comes down and you find at this price level, then you need to observe the price again. If you see that, just like previous instances, market is getting getting support at this level, price is being rejected from below, market is forming hammer kind of a pattern, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, it is a valid support, and once market starts bouncing, you can go for a buy order. So these are the 2 trading opportunities in the USD JPY chart as of now. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much, all the best, take care, see you again.